What if I told you that your breakthrough could begin with your praise? What if the key to peace, healing, and closeness with Yah wasn't found in complaining, but in thanksgiving? Today we're diving into Psalm 100, a powerful reminder of who Yah is, who we are, and how we should come before Him. Before we go deeper, take a moment to subscribe to True Gospel Talk and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more truth-filled biblical teaching. If this message speaks to your spirit, stay with me because Psalm 100 is going to remind us how powerful Thanksgiving really is. Psalm 100 verses 1 through 5 says, "Make a joyful noise unto Yah, all ye lands. Serve Yah with gladness. Come before His presence with singing. Know ye that Yah, He is Elohim. It is He that hath made us, and not we ourselves. We are His people, and the sheep of His pasture. Enter into His gates with thanksgiving, and into His courts with praise. Be thankful unto Him, and bless His name. For Yah is good, His mercy is everlasting, and His truth endureth to all generations." This psalm is short, but it carries deep truth for every believer. Verse 1 says, "Make a joyful noise unto Yah, all ye lands." Notice it doesn't say, "make a perfect sound." It says, "make a joyful noise." Yah isn't asking for perfection. He's asking for sincerity. Some of us stay silent because we think our worship isn't good enough. But Yah looks at the heart. Your praise is not about performance. It's about recognition. When you praise Yah, you are acknowledging His power, His authority, and His faithfulness. Even in pain, even in confusion, even when life doesn't make sense. Praise shifts atmospheres. Like Acts of the Apostles 16, when Paul and Silas praised in prison and the chains broke loose. Your praise still has power. Sometimes the breakthrough begins before the situation changes, because praise reminds your spirit who Yah is. Verse 2 says, "Serve Yah with gladness." This is important. Serving Yah should not feel like a burden. Too many people obey reluctantly. They pray reluctantly. They gather reluctantly. But Yah wants gladness. Why? Because when you understand what He saved you from, gladness becomes natural. Yeshua gave His life so we could be reconciled back to the Father. That alone is enough reason to serve with joy. Serving Yah isn't slavery, it's freedom. Gospel of John 8:36 says, "Whom the Son sets free is free indeed." Verse 3 says, "Know ye that Yah, He is Elohim." This generation knows about Yah, but many don't truly know Him. To know Him is to trust Him. To know Him is to fear Him. To know Him is to obey Him. The verse says it is He that made us, not we ourselves. That means your life has purpose. You are not random. You are not accidental. You were created by Yah, and because He made you, He knows how to restore you. Like a potter fixes clay, Yah can rebuild what's broken. He calls us the sheep of His pasture. Sheep need a shepherd. Without Yah's guidance, we wander. That's why Book of Proverbs 3:5 says, "Trust in Yah with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding." Verse 4 says, "Enter into His gates with thanksgiving, and into His courts with praise." Notice the access point. Thanksgiving opens gates. Praise brings you into His courts. Many want Yah's presence, but refuse gratitude. They focus only on what they lack instead of what Yah has already done. Are you breathing? That's mercy. Did He wake you up? That's grace. Did He carry you through what should have destroyed you? That's faithfulness. Thanksgiving changes your perspective. Complaining magnifies problems. Thankfulness magnifies Yah. And when Yah becomes bigger in your eyes, fear becomes smaller. Verse 5 says, "For Yah is good, his mercy is everlasting, and his truth endureth to all generations." This is the foundation. Yah is good, even when life is hard. His mercy is everlasting, even when you fall. His truth endures, even when the world changes. Culture changes, people change, opinions change, but Yah does not change. Book of Malachi 3:6 says, "For I am Yah, I change not." That means his promises still stand, his word still stands, his love still stands. And through Yeshua, we have access to that mercy. Psalm 100 teaches us a lifestyle. Praise loudly, serve gladly, know Yah deeply, enter thankfully, and trust his goodness fully. If you've been heavy, discouraged, or distant from Yah, start with thanksgiving. Not because everything is perfect, but because Yah is still worthy. Take time today to thank him. Thank him for life. Thank him for mercy. Thank him for Yeshua. Thank him for another chance. Because when thanksgiving rises, the presence of Yah draws near. If this message blessed you, comment below. I will enter with thanksgiving. Here's today's question. What is one thing Yah has carried you through that you can thank him for right now? Share this with someone who needs encouragement. And subscribe to True Gospel Talk for more truth-filled biblical teaching. Shalom.